Hi, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing company here in Greensboro. You had spoken with my husband and partner Rob on the phone today. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us. We were just doing some research in the area and we came across your Facebook page. So we thought we would shoot you this short video just giving you a few tips on how you can grow your business via your online presence. I will keep this short. I certainly don't want to waste your time, but if by the end of this video you can tell that we have some tricks up our sleeve that can help grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in doing, please reach out to me and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Just take these tips that I've given you here today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind and you have some time, if you can just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful and how I did, it would be greatly appreciated. So without further ado, we will go ahead and jump in. The three things that I'm going to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content. Now that would really have to do with a website. We did look and I didn't see where you all had a website. I do see that you have this Facebook page, which is great, especially this day and age. Social media is extremely powerful, so it is definitely a good thing to have. I certainly would suggest getting a website. Not only does it kind of stand as a digital business card for you, but it is truly a way to rank on Google. So Google is going to take a look at all of the content that you have, the pictures that you have on the website, and the keywords and key phrases that you kind of have built into that. And they're going to see that you are a trustworthy business, you are who you say you are, you do what you say that you do on your website, and that is going to really help you get ranked. So I definitely would suggest getting a website. That would be very beneficial to you all, I think. So that's really all that I have as far as that goes. The second tip that I have is going to be citations. So I did pull up a Google search here for cleaning services. And the first thing that you will see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with the map pack. So what a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. You might be asking yourself, what is a directory and how the heck do I get myself listed in there? So a directory is going to be something like Facebook, which you have, which is great, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, things like that. Anywhere where you're allowed to enter those business details and services online would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high on the maps here, you would want to see where your competition is being listed online, and you would want to go out and get yourself listed there as well. You would not just want to stop there though. You would want to get anything that your competition has, and then you would want to add more. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you to rank high here. So now that we've covered the content and the citations, the last thing is going to be backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section down here underneath the maps, and that is called the organic section. So with this, the backlinks work basically, there is a website out there that is taking a link from their website and pushing it to your website, which is pushing power to you and of course potentially bringing more business. So backlinks are not created equal though. For instance, say that you all did a cleaning service for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they have decided that they are going to take a link from their website and push it to your website. But unfortunately, that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to be very helpful for you. We want links from another cleaning service, another cleaning company that are sending a link back to your website if you all decide to get one that says, yes, you are a cleaning service. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique, but it's also relevant to your industry. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs. And it's not 100% accurate, but it is the most accurate tool available. it's a company that buys data from Google, so it at least gives a very good idea of what's working well for your competition. I wasn't able to pull you all up in here since there is no website attached to your business, but I did want to take a minute just to kind of show you the first person that was showing up in that organic section underneath those maps. So that was the Kleaning Authority, and it looks like they have over 1,000 referring domains, giving them over 65,000 backlinks, getting them found for over 18,000 keywords, and pushing about 40,000 people monthly to their website. And again, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, that would come directly from Google Analytics, but that is something that only the business owner is going to be able to access. I did also pull up the keywords that they are being found for. So this section right here, the volume section, this is roughly how many times this keyword or key phrase is being searched for. So it looks like they're getting found for their business name. Also, they're getting found for cleaning services, house cleaning services, house cleaners near me. These are all buyer intent keywords. So that means basically anything that someone's actually going to be searching for when they go to Google and say, hey, I need my house cleaned. What are they actually going to be typing into that search bar to find you? And these types of things, house cleaning services, house cleaners near me, moving out cleaning, those are all buyer intent keywords. So essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And again, you don't just want to stop there. You want to go out and get whatever your competition has, and then you want to just keep adding more. So that's pretty much all that I have for you today. I hope this video has been educational and informative for you. If you'd like to know more about how Duff Digital Marketing can help grow your business via your online presence, please give me a call and we can chat. And if not, no worries. Like I said, just take these tips that I've given you here today for free and put them into action. And certainly if there's any other questions that you may have, feel free to reach out with those as well. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for your time on the phone today, and you have a great rest of your day.